Don't want to memorize a script? Neither do I. A teleprompter allows me to look directly into the camera while reading my script, because there's a piece of glass right in front of the camera lens, and using some trickery and some mirrors and an iPad, the text is projected onto the glass so I can read it while still looking in your direction. Here are the basics of how it works. A text file, like a Word document, gets uploaded to the Teleprompter app on our iPad. It gets displayed as large white letters that scroll on a black background. The person controlling the teleprompter can control how fast the words scroll by to match the pace of the speaker. We can also easily make edits to the script if necessary. Here's an example of what I see when I'm using a teleprompter. While it does require a bit of setup, a teleprompter is a great way to look professional and confident when delivering a long speech directly to the camera. We've taught a lot of our clients how to use a teleprompter for their weekly videos. Check them out by going to our social media page of our website. The link is in the description.